Hey guys, the Rage here. So I'll do a quick unboxing of the Smart Body Tape Measure by Tychesy. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what comes inside this box. So there it is. Look at that. We have some manual. Also, it comes with a smart app. That's a smart app. And it is USB rechargeable, which is great. It turns on right away. And then we can measure. And it has a nice button to retract. So that's 0. You know, that's like 2 point some inches. So you can measure your whole body. And then over here is where we recharge it. And I think you can change different settings on it and stuff. It connects via Bluetooth to the app, so it's really great. And it's a nice way to measure your body. So I really like this tape measurement. And you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. And take care. And you know, fits it nice and in here, so it doesn't go anywhere. You can power off. You can change it centimeters, inches, and you can turn on and off. So you just push and hold, and it shuts off. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making for you guys. Take care. Bye.